the Broil King Multi-Rack Skewer Kit. Prepare mouth-watering kebabs, ribs, and roasts with the Broil King Multi-Rack Skewer Kit. You get 3 excellent stainless steel grilling accessories in one: a kebab rack, a rib rack, and a roast support. The kit includes 6 dual prong skewers for kebabs, and the rack can hold up to 6 racks of ribs with the peak side up. It also provides a sturdy support for large cuts of meat. The support elevates your food above the grids for better heat flow and even cooking. It also allows you to cook more food using less grill space. It's a perfect multi-function accessory that lets you do more on your grill. The Broil King Multi-Rack Skewer Kit. Broil King. Do more with your grill.